you and me. We used to be together every day, together always. I really feel that I'm losing my best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. It looks as though you're letting go, and if it's real,